ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this momentous occasion, the second induction and first handover ceremony of the Rotary Club of Taytay Renaissance.
As Charter President of Rotary Club of Taytay Renaissance, I hereby call this second induction and first handover ceremony to order.
Distinguished guests, fellow Rotarians, friends, good evening and a very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Today is a special and meaningful occasion for our club.
Ang gabing ito ay hindi lang simpleng pagpapalit ng liderato. Ito ay pagpapatuloy ng isang napakagandang kwento, isang kwento ng paglilingkod, pagkakaisa at pagmamahal sa kapwa.
Tonight, we celebrate service, leadership, and fellowship, the very core of Rotary's mission. Together, we will witness the turnover of responsibility, the induction of new member, and the beginning of another year of meaningful service.
To our District Governor, thank you for your guidance, leadership, and presence. And to all of you, thank you for being here tonight and for being part of this shared journey of service.
I was constantly inspired by the dedication of our members and the smiles of those we help. And I found myself looking forward to every meeting and activity with genuine excitement. It was in giving that I truly received, gaining friendship, life lessons, and a deeper sense of purpose. It has been my honor and privilege to serve as your president. And now I pass the torch with pride, hope, and trust in the enduring spirit of Rotary that unites us all.
Sa bagong taon ng Rotary na ito, alalahanin natin kung bakit tayo narito. We serve not for recognitions or titles, but because we believe that kindness can truly change the world. Let us continue to dream, to serve, and to love for our club, our community, and our world.